This video demonstrates how takeaway rentals work here at Blue Waters Kayaking on a car with racks. We start off by orienting the boat next to your vehicle. Have the front of the boat facing the front of the car and flip the boat upside down while it is on the ground. We will lift the boat upside down onto the pads using a person on the front and the back of the boat. A taller person is better in the front because they have to lean over the front of the car. Make sure you have a sturdy grip on each side of the plastic and watch out for the boat rolling. Once the boat is on the racks, position the center of the boat evenly in between the two crossbars. If you have a second boat, it will stack on top of the first boat using the same method that we used to lift the first boat. A maximum of 2 boats can be stacked on top of each other per car. Next, we will strap the boats down. Make sure to never throw the metal ends of the strap so as to avoid damaging your vehicle. Toss the soft ends of the straps over the top of the kayaks. Send the soft end of the strap under the crossbars and then toss them back over the kayaks again. Next, we will position the cam about 8 inches above the top of the car so we have room to cinch it down. Send the soft end of the strap under the crossbar once again and bring it up to the cam. Fasten the strap by pushing the tab of the cam in and pushing the soft end of the strap in from the back and through the teeth. Pull down on the strap to tighten the straps and secure the boats. We will finish off with a simple hitch below the cam. Send the end of the strap around the tightened strap and straight through the loop you just created. Pull up to tighten your hitch to the bottom of the cam. This creates a physical barrier, so if the cam were to fail, the strap can't be pulled through. Secure the remaining ends by either shutting them into your door or tying them off. We always say if you can't tie a knot, tie a lot. That is how you load kayaks onto a car with roof racks. Check out our videos about loading a car without roof racks or loading into a truck bed. There are many other variations of ways to load kayaks onto all kinds of rigs and cars. Every car is a new adventure, and we will be here to help you get it to work.